Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. In this video, we'll be talking about AP, Arithmetic Progression. Before we talk about that, please, I want you to take note of this site, Maths. Okay, go to Google and type this on Google. You will see a lot of solved mathematical problems. Not only mathematical problems, you will see comprehensive mathematics lecture notes. Amen. So please make sure you share this video that we are about to watch, and share it. Make sure it get to people who are finding mathematics difficult. If you know any of your son or daughter that is studying anything related to mathematics, please advise him to follow Maths page on Facebook. If you go to YouTube, Google, you will see this. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, let's consider the business of the day. You know, I told you that I'll be talking about AP, that is arithmetic or arithmetical progression or arithmetic progression, whichever way. Okay, that is mathematics for you. Progression, AP. Okay, yeah. So we are going to solve example on it. Please, those of you that are following me on Facebook, YouTube, anywhere, please, if you have any challenge in mathematics, just snap and drop it so that I will look at it and make a video on it, give it to you, drop it for you to watch. Is that clear? Okay. Now let's look at one example, as simple as ABC. But before we look at the example, you know, AP, arithmetical progression, or arithmetic progression, you know, this has to do with formula. So before we solve the example, let us look at the formula. The nth term of AP is given as an equals to a plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket d. So this implies that in some textbooks you may see this is term, so that is talking about n term, a plus open bracket minus n minus 1 close bracket d. So this implies that A is the first term. Mistake notes. A is the first term. Then D is the common difference. That clear? A is the first term, then D is the common difference. Then N is the term we're talking about. So whenever you come across AP, arithmetic progression or arithmetical progression questions, what you will first consider is this formula. Either you make use of this or this, they are all the same thing. So now let's look at one problem quickly. Let's look at one problem. Okay. So now let's look at the problem. The 11th term of an AP is 42 and its first term is 2. Find the common difference. Simple as ABC. The common difference. Amen. Okay. So this is the problem I want to look at. Look at this problem. It says the 11th term of an AP is 42 and its first term is 2. Find the common difference. It's simple as ABC. For the fact that this question is indicating AP, you know I told you, so what you need to first do is to write down the formula first. We write solution, amen? So our nth term of an AP is given as either nth term is equals to A plus open bracket n minus 1 times D. You know, I told you earlier that A is the first term, N is, we are talking about the nth term. Then D is the common difference. And we are asked here to find the common difference. So take note. So now, how can we obtain our nth term, our A, from this question? Let's look at it together. Look at it together. So where we now write where, look at it, look at the statement. The 11th term of an AP is what? 42. So this implies that here, the nth term here is 11. Is that clear? So we are talking about the n, the 11th term of an AP. So n here we're going to be 11. So the AP is here. The 11th term is what? Equals to 42. Are you following? Then, let's look at, they said, and its first term is 2. First term is what? 8. True or false? So you don't need the prophet to tell you. Our A is equals to 2. Then, our N has been stated here as what? Look at it. 11. N is equals to 11, and D, the common difference, is unknown. You've gotten the answer. So what you need to do, just to substitute in these values into this formula, that is your answer. So our 11th term is 42 will now be equals to, our A is 2 plus open bracket, n is what? 11 minus 1. Then common difference is unknown. True or false? Okay. So now what we need to do here is 42 is equals to 2 plus 11 minus 1 is 10, isn't it? Okay. So now let us multiply this bracket. If we multiply this bracket, we are going to have 10 times D, 10D. So if you can see what I am saying, this is now a linear equation. True or false? Go back to your linear equation. So you don't need a prophet to tell you on how to obtain your D. So at this point, we are going to collect like terms, or let us rewrite this equation in this form. Our either 10D plus 2 is equals to 42. So let's write, let us collect like terms. Collect like term. Collect like terms. Okay? So if we collect like terms, it means we are going to have it in this form, amen? Okay? So it means 10D is equals to 42. Look at it. Plus 2 will cross the sign of equality to give us what? Minus 2. Minus 2. So therefore, our 10D is now equals to 42 minus 2 is going to give us 40. So at this point, we divide, for us to obtain our common difference, D, we divide through by, through by 10, amen? Divide through by 10, okay? So if we divide through by 10, we have 10D all over 10 is equals to 40 all over 10. Then this will cancel, amen? So we are going to have D is equals to, either you do it this way, 0 to 0, 4 divided 1 is 4. So you discover that the common difference is equals to 4, what they asked us to look for. So any question, if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section so that we'll look at it together. Thank you and God bless you. Please make sure, don't forget to share this video on Facebook and YouTube. Then if you have any challenge in mathematics, I've told you, I said go to Google and Google Rainjog Mathematics. You will see a lot of solved mathematical problems. And sorry, here is Rainjog Math. A lot of solved mathematical problems and mathematics lecture notes. Thank you and God bless you.